Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to automate Trello with Butler in 2025. Now with a few simple rules and buttons, Trello can move the cards, add the labels and send you reminders. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on Trello.com. Then you need to simply log in into your account with the help of your email address. Now, once you are inside your Trello dashboard, the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your workspace, which would be your board. So here inside your board, it is going to look something like this, where you can basically add the cards and make it for your work. Now, in order to add automations into it, you are going to see this type of automation icon over here. So this is some kind of Thunderbolt icon. So you need to click on it. Then it is going to open the Butler panel for you. It includes rules, buttons, email reports. Then we have send feedback option. So here click on the option of rules, then select the option of create rule. So over here you can basically create the automation. So you can add the triggers. Here in the triggers you can add the questions. So you are going to see some of the default options like where is a card added to the board to me. So you can add as many automations as you want in this rules section. You can add it to another board if you want. If you want to make changes into this particular thing, you can just click on the option of this edit icon. After that, you can just take a look at the rules that you have created. So once you are done with it, once you are done with adding the rules, basically you can click on the option of save in the top right hand corner of the screen, and the Butler is going to be updated automatically based on the triggers and the rules that you have selected over here. Then when you go to the section of buttons by clicking on this automations option, you are going to basically add the different kinds of buttons over here. You can click on the option of create button in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you need to give your button a name. After that, click on the option of add button. Then you can select the action that this button is going to do. Like you can add checklists, members, like from these actions you can select. Then again, similar to the rules, you need to give the answer to these questions based on your own needs. You can click on the plus icon right next to it and click on the option of save in the top right hand corner of the screen. Similarly, in the automations, when you go to the third section, which will be the email reports, you can basically set up the email reports on the weekly, monthly and yearly basis. If you face any kind of problem with the automations, you can connect with the Trello customer support team with the help of this send feedback option. So this way you will be able to automate your Trello board with the help of Butler in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and also comment below if you have any questions regarding this tutorial or if there is any other topic in your mind. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.